Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how you can download leads from the lead center. So basically there are two ways from here to download the leads. So you can see from this campaign I have got the three leads. So how you can download these leads? To simply select the campaign and go to ads level. From ads level under the results you can see these are the different basically from this ad I have got the two leads, and from this ad I have got the one lead. So how I can download those ones? So simply click on this one on Facebook leads, and it will uh, like appear this notification box or the pop-up. And if you have the admin access, then this will appear. Otherwise, if you don't have the admin access on the page and the leads access, so it will ask you that only admin can download those. So I have the admin access, so I can simply click on download button, and then I can click on CSV file, and all those emails, uh, the leads will be downloaded there. The second thing that we can download, that Facebook basically provides a small CRM in their own system. So how we can do that? So simply go to your Facebook business page, and from there you can simply go to Meta Business Suite. So after clicking on this one, Meta Business Suite, so here is the Meta Business Suite, and from left side there is an option of the Leads Center. Click on that. So it's welcoming you. Welcome to the Lead Center. So simply hit the continue button, and it will start loading your data. So here you can see all the different stages, columns, and the things that they have done for you. So you can either see this by the table view. So this is the table view, or you can even see in the pipeline view. So the next thing, how you can check these things. So just example, if I want to check the leads data, so simply you can click on these ones, and their phone number, email, or whatever the question that you have asked in the lead form, you can see all those here. And like again, there are the here are the different options that you can see here. So after selecting this one, so you can even assign to the person that have the access on the page. So you can add their stages like intake, qualified, converted, lost, not qualified, or again basically this is a CRM that you can see from here. So you can even download the leads from here as well. So again, these will be downloaded in the CSV format. So like again, this is the option that you can see from even the pipeline. After the lead stage, you can simply drag and drop to the stage where they are right now. So in this way you can download your all leads